shall be explaining how we took our trade on Friday and how we got to get the century. First, I took my indicator, the session highs and lows. Marked out all highs, all lows, the same as SP 500. Marked out all highs and lows. Then we turn to go to the 2 hours. We found out that there is an external SMT. We marked it. We must have also had the external SMT in which it actually had a bias being bullish for the day. Continued with the lower time frame. Marked that out these lows, London lows, the past New York close which was on Tuesday. Yeah. Continued lowering, going lower. The market opened here. I will have to remove those. They indicate so that the screen could be appear much more clearer. Continue digging to the lower time frame where we actually kind of got confused. The projection, not knowing, having to be arranging, arranging market. So actually the bias was actually neutral. As you look, there's had so much this consolidation going on. As the market opened, it came and swept this low. I bet it came and swept the London session lows. Then same as on Nasdaq. Let me first get rid of that. And just the equilibrium. That one was not my entry was right upon above here. I didn't enter at those loose boats because I had no clear confirmations, but I saw some guys enter like ICT Cam got his entry here on his on equilibrium. 3 minutes. I marked out this 1 minute fair value gap, thinking price was actually gonna sweep this 930 candle open, create an SMT, then create a fair value gap, inverse that fair value gap, then find my entry and target to these lows. But it didn't actually go according to my pers- perspectives. So in the Nasdaq, it comes with that tested that 1 minute FVG, then flashed down. I was actually not comfortable with it. That's why I didn't have my entry over here. See, if this fair value gap had worked, I plan to enter somewhere here, then target at the middle of that 1 minute FVG, but found out that this candle was actually so big that didn't seem even feel good entering from there. So I waited for the market to sweep the London lows here. After it swept, it created an SMT where some guys used that SMT to find their end, not the SMT, the equilibrium which I had. They drew the equilibrium over here. Then, as you had seen earlier, had their entry over here. and had their targets on the 9:30 market open and their loss below that low. On this trade, I didn't find it to be like good, so I had to wait for the market to close above this fair value gap in the Nasdaq, but on SP 500, actually pardon me for my mouse. It's actually a cheap mouse. That's why it's disturbing. It's slow as fuck. On the S&P side, after the S&P, we had a confirmation entry. We had this fair value gap, which was create this one, which was under here created under here. Then the market come and retested it. So I had my entry above the candle which closed above the fair value gap, and also had to target these highs. But I actually have targeted 930 open. But it's just good and targeted these highs where it went straight to my TP. But on the other side, I was also waiting still on the NQ to actually do its magic. Where after I had my entry here, after I had my entry here, my friend's take profit was actually on that high, but mine I was actually focusing on this previous New York it is London high. Yeah, the London high which I didn't reach but got a break even over here. Had a break even. Had a break even right over here. What the fuck is wrong with this shit? Had a break even right over here. Then had a re-entry right over here, targeting the same highs, and then had a break even again somewhere here. And that's how I traded on Friday. Yeah, so I traded.